After a night halt in Coimbatore, I continued my ride to my next destination. On my way, I met two fellow riders, Dharnish and Santosh, who were also riding to Valparai. Passing through Pollachi, one of the most scenic towns of Tamil Nadu, we continued our ride and reached Annamalai Tiger Reserve. At the checkpost, we entered our details and paid an entry fee of Rs 20 for a bike and it's 70 rupees for a car. Where are you staying in Valparai?
Greenwood, sir.
Greenwood. You bro? I didn't book it yet. I'll go there. Maybe I'll stay. "200 meters from the checkpost, we have this beautiful view of Aliar Lake. They say it's not the destination but it's all about the journey, and this is perfectly apt for the ride to Valparai. From the plains of Pollachi to this hilltop of Valparai, there are 40 hairpin bends, making it one of the most adventurous rides in Tamil Nadu. There will be some spectacular views of Aliar Lake, and the entire Annamalai Reserve range can be witnessed from the top of the hill. After passing through Ghat section, we finally reached this amazing sight which resembles no lesser than a paradise. From Coimbatore, it took 3 hours for me to reach this amazing hilltop town.